Hello everybody! Watch this video to find out how to fix these errors when you're trying to update your Windows. They typically occur when you try to update the build or version of your operating system, or when you try to upgrade your system to Windows 11.
Hello friends! If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog, you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
Once again, here are the nasty error codes. You can encounter them as you attempt to install a long-expected update in a regular way or do it with the update assistant. Such update errors have been noticed both in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And in today's video, I'll show you how to fix them and update your operating system to the latest version. The list of possible causes is actually quite long. It could be a Windows Update error, a damaged system file, a faulty Windows Update component, a wrong choice of original language, a conflict between VPN or proxy server and Windows Update, and many others. So for best results, try the methods below in the order they are listed in today's video. Both Windows 10 and Windows 11 offer a quite reliable troubleshooter feature which can solve the problem automatically. To run the troubleshooter on Windows 10, open Start, Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters, Windows Update, Run the troubleshooter. On Windows 11, open Start, System, Troubleshoot, Other troubleshooters, Windows Update, Run. When the procedure is complete, reboot the computer to see if the problem is gone. If you still encounter the errors, move on to the second method. If the files used by Windows Update components are damaged, an update installation may fail. You can fix the errors by checking and repairing system files. In order to run the scan tool, open the command prompt as administrator. Type cmd in the search field and choose to run it as admin. Now enter this command SFC/scannow. Here comes an important note. As you run the scan, don't close its window or reboot the computer until the process is complete. If you do it, there will be more errors to deal with, so please don't. When the scan is over, close the command prompt and reboot. After that, try installing the update one more time to see if it works properly now. If the problem is still there, run a DISM scan. Here is another important note. To run DISM, you need to have a stable internet connection, since this process will download copies to replace damaged files. When the DISM scan is complete, reboot the computer to check if your problem persists. If it's still around, try the next method. If the previous methods proved ineffective, try resetting Windows Update components manually. In order to reset all Windows Update components, open the command prompt as administrator and run these commands one after another. After that, close the command prompt and restart the computer. Let's see if the error is gone. As it appears, choosing a wrong region can also trigger this error. So, open Settings, Time and Language, Region. Now go to Country or Region menu and choose the required option. After that, make sure that you're using the proper regional format data. On Windows 11, open Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region, select the required region and format. After that, restart the computer and check for updates. Also, the update issue may appear because of a VPN client or proxy server which is not accepted by Windows Update Server. To remove an app, open Settings, Apps, find the conflicting VPN or proxy on the list, select it, and click Uninstall. On Windows 11, open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Click on the three dots next to an app and select Uninstall. After removing the apps that blocked update installation, check if the error appears again. This folder, Software Distribution, is meant to keep important update files which Windows needs to perform an update. Open the command prompt as administrator and run the following commands. To stop the Windows Update service, and another command to stop the background intelligent transfer service. After that, open the Explorer and go to the folder C, Windows Software Distribution. Open it to see the contents and press the Delete key. Now open the command prompt and restart the services. You can also download and install an update manually. This may help you if the error is caused by the Microsoft Update utility. Open your browser and follow the link to open the Microsoft Update catalog. Go to the search field in the top left corner of the page to find the update that doesn't work with a specific error. Download the required update. Then go to your Downloads folder, find the downloaded package and run the installer. If you want to update your Windows 10 and all previous methods haven't helped you, use the Windows 10 Update app. You can download it from the Microsoft website. Run the utility and hit the button to update now. It starts the update process. While it is running, your computer may restart several times. Here is an important note. Remember that this method can make a clean installation of the operating system. All your applications will be removed, but user documents will be saved to the folder with the name windows.old. If nothing helps, then download the tool called Windows Media Creation and try updating your Windows. The utility will download the latest ISO image of the operating system and take the required files from there to update your Windows properly. Download this utility from the Microsoft website, run it, and choose Upgrade this PC now. Then click Next. Wait until this step is complete and then check if Windows components have been updated. If none of the listed methods help, and you encounter the same problem again and again, then the only way to update your operating system is to reset your computer. This procedure will reset all Windows components, but it also lets you keep your personal files, including photos, videos, images, and apps. Follow the link in the description to visit our channel for a very detailed tutorial on how to do it properly. Another way, and is just as effective as that, will be to run a clean installation. However, be warned, because in this case you are going to lose all your stuff. And that is all for now. I hope this video helped you to fix the issue. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Push the bell button to receive notifications and never miss new videos. Leave comments to ask questions. Thanks for watching and good luck!